Relationship between change in Gibbs free energy and equilibrium constant of a chemical reaction. Another derivation of equation which is very useful for solving the problem, that is numericals. Standard free energy change. We studied free energy change but not standard free energy change what we used all this while, that is delta G only. Now let us see that what is the definition for delta G0. Standard free energy change is represented by delta G0. The standard free energy change is defined as the free energy change for a process at a specified temperature in which the reactants in their state that means 298 Kelvin and 1 atmospheric pressure. That is the condition. It should be the temperature should be 298 Kelvin and the pressure should be 1 atmospheric pressure and are converted to the product in their standard state. The product also should be at this standard state, temperature 298 Kelvin and pressure 1 atmosphere. Then we can call that change is called standard free energy change. The standard free energy change is denoted by the symbol delta G0. It is equal to the differences in the sum of the standard free energies of the formation of the products and the sum of the standard free energy of formation of the reactant, which can be expressed mathematically. Delta G0 is equal to sum of the standard free energy of formation of the product minus sum of the standard free energy of formation of the reactant, can be simplified as delta G0 is equal to sigma, means sum of the standard free energy of formation is known as delta F G0, means standard free energy of formation of the product minus sum of, that is the sigma, delta F G0 of the reactants, that is mean delta G0. Now standard free energy of formation, what is the meaning of delta F G0? Definition: the standard free energy of formation delta F G0 of a compound is defined as the change in free energy when one of the given compound is synthesized directly from its constituent elements in their standard state. That is the definition. For elements like chlorine, bromine, Br2, H2, O2, the delta formation, that means standard free energy of formation is 0. That for elements, formation of elements, standard free energy, this is helpful in solving the problem. For elements, for example, even zinc, metals, zinc, copper, all these elements, delta F G0 is equal to 0. Now, standard free energy change and equilibrium constant. Standard free energy change delta G0 is related to the equilibrium constant K by the following equation. This equation should be used for solving numericals. Delta G0 is equal to minus RT log to the base E K, where K is the equilibrium constant. Delta G0 is equal to converting log to the base 10 minus 2.303 RT log to the base 10 equilibrium constant K. From this you can, using this equation we can solve the problems.